Are you using Gitbook for your business's knowledge hub, customer support center, or even a helpful documentation resource for your products and services? With Gitbook Lens AI, your visitors can search your documentation and get quick answers to their questions. You can ask it anything, and it scans your content to provide you with answers in seconds. Whether it's an overview of a feature, functionality, or related follow-up questions, AI Lens has you covered, all based on your content. But what if you could take it a step further? With Flochat, your Gitbook documents are now searchable across 15-plus messaging channels. From a simple message on your customer's favorite app, you can provide instant answers. This opens up endless possibilities, from in-app helpers within Facebook and Instagram to chatbots on your website, all based on your documentation, surpassing hallucinations. And what if we could take it one step further? Imagine having a fully AI-assisted customer support agent right on your Facebook and Instagram post feed that automates comment replies around the clock. From a simple comment, Flochat will automatically search your Gitbook documentation and respond instantly with precise context based on your content. So, join us in shaping the future of communication at scale. Get set up in less than 30 seconds with our pre-built template and have your customers asking questions on their favorite messaging app. Discover the power of Gitbook's AI Lens and Flochat integration today. Sign up now and transform the way you connect with your customers.